Welcome back. This tutorial will be so easy that anyone watching can now make a dynamic door. Let's start. Units. Centimeters. Click OK. Enable dynamic input. Rectangle. 5,15. Copy. $85. Rectangle. 5,80. Arc. Center. Center of arc. Start point. End point. Rectangle. Move up, 1. Move down, 1. Wipe out. Polyline. Click the rectangle. Erase polyline, yes. Right-click. Draw order. Center back. Wipe out. Frames. Off. Block. Name. First dynamic block. Select objects. Pick point. Click. Open in block editor. Click OK. Parameters. Base point. Click. Linear. Linear. Properties. Distance tool. Chain actions. Yes. Number of grips. 0. Distance 1. Distance name, width. Dist type. Increment. Dist increment. 5. Dist minimum. 70. Dist maximum. 110. Number of grips. 1. Alignment. Hold Control and right-click. Mid between 2 points. First point. Second point. Set a line of direction. Arrow direction should point down. Actions. Stretch. Select parameter. Select parameter point. Create stretch frame. Select objects to stretch. Select the distance to parameter as well. Scale. Parameter. Objects to scale. Stretch. Parameter. Parameter point. Stretch frame. Object to stretch. Stretch 1. Angle offset 90. Stretch. Parameter. Parameter point. Stretch frame. Object to stretch. Stretch 2. Distance multiplier 0.5. Close plot editor. Save the changes. Width 80. Polyline. Offset 15. Polyline. Join. Double click. Close. Hatch. Solid. Disable. Grid mode. Right click. Draw order. Bring to front. Alignment. Copy. Width 100. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.